What if I told you that 2600 years ago a man sat under a tree and discovered a technique that could change your mind, your emotion and your life forever? That man was Gautam Buddha and that technique is called Vipassana. Today on this auspicious occasion of Buddha Purnima, I am going to teach you how to practice this ancient meditation technique. Right from your home, no monk, no retreat, just you, your breath and your awareness. The word Vipassana comes from Pali, an ancient Indian language. It means to see the things they truly are. It is not about chanting, it is not about emptying your mind, it is about observing your breath, your body and your sensations, without reacting, without judging. Buddha himself practiced Vipassana for 49 days before achieving enlightenment under the Bodhi tree. Scientific research today shows that just 10 minutes of this practice daily can reduce anxiety, improve focus and rewire your brain. So let's begin. Here your simple step-by-step guide. Step first, prepare your space. Find a quiet corner in your home. No phone, no noise. Sit on the floor or you can sit on chair. Spine straight, hand resting on your knees. Close your eyes gently. This is your sacred space. Step 2. Anapana, anchoring the mind. Before diving into Vipassana, we must calm the mind. This is called Anapana, breath awareness. Simply observe your natural breath. Don't control it. Feel the air entering your nostrils. Feel it leaving. Notice the small triangle, your upper lip, the edge of your nostrils. Keep your full attention here for 2 minutes. When your mind wanders, and it will, gently bring it back. No anger, no frustration, just pure attention, just pure awareness. Step 3. Body scanning. Now begins the real Vipassana. Slowly move your awareness through your body, from top of your head down to your toes. Feel every sensation. Tingling, warmth, pressure, pain, whatever arises, just observe. Do not react. Do not cling to the pleasant. Do not push away the unpleasant. This is the heart of Buddha's teaching. Everything is impermanent. Every sensation rises and passes. Keep scanning head, neck, shoulder, chest, arms, stomach, legs, feet. Step 4. The key rule, equanimity. The secret of Vipassana is this word, equanimity. In Pali, it is called Upekkha. It means perfect balance, neither craving the good sensation nor hating the bad ones. You are the observer, you are not the sensation. With this one understanding, Buddha said, suffering ends. Step 5. Close the session. After scanning, bring your awareness back to your breath. Take 3 long, deep breaths. Slowly open your eyes. Place your hands on your heart. Smile. You had just done what Buddha did 2600 years ago. Start with just 10 minutes a day. Morning is the best time. Within 21 days, you will notice a change, not in the world, in yourself. Buddha did not ask you to believe him. He said, try it and see for yourself. If this helped you, please like and share this video with someone who needs peace in their life.